Hello guys, Billionaire Crypto Club here with you today. This is a new video about crypto, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a lot of money just by swapping tokens. And this is another testnet. So this is a good way of making money because you don't put a cent into it. Since this is a testnet, they give you their fake tokens that you're gonna swap, that you're gonna work with, and after this you'll have to fill out a survey where you're gonna tell them about the mistakes. And from this website, I think they're gonna give you a pretty decent amount of money. Since all the testnets usually give like $5, $7, $10,000, I see a lot of potential in this, and today I'm gonna show you how to do this. Before we start this video, please subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss our new videos about how to make money. Share it with your friends, like it, and leave your comments. Let's start, guys. Let's go. So to start earning money, you will need a new wallet that's called Nami. I will leave a link to this website to download it in the description. So let's start and create a new wallet. We're gonna add an extension to our Google Chrome, so I'm not gonna do that. All I'm gonna do is just pin it. So we will go right here and create a new wallet. You accept the terms of use, continue. Please save those seed phrases because this is very important. If you lose this, you will not be able to regain access to your wallet, and you will lose all the money if you get the airdrop. So I've stored the seed phrase and I click next. After we click next, we insert over here in the blank spaces the phrases that you guys saved. So this is that. I'm gonna do it real quick and we will be able to continue after this. After we did that, all we're gonna need is to create the account. Enter your account name. We will do Billionaire Crypto Club. Password, create your own wherever you guys gonna memorize and not forget, because it's hard to fix anything in crypto, because if you forget something you will lose access forever. So after we did all this, now we have the Nami wallet over here. We could see that it's active. We go back to SundaeSwap.finance. I'll also leave the link in the description. We press enter the app, and over here we press connect wallet. Always you gotta put the check here that you're connecting your wallet, and this is the beta version, and you press Nami wallet. After this, it's gonna ask you for the access, and for some reason oh, I forgot to mention that you gotta go here in the in your wallet, click on this guy in the corner and go to settings and change the network to testnet, because on the mainnet you will not be able to do any swaps. So after you did the testnet, you connect your wallet, click here Nami, and you will be able, like right here we see that it's connected. To receive the tokens of this project, you go into the beta guide and fund your wallet. You click here, you accept the funding and all this stuff, and you press fund wallet. So right now we're submitting the goodies, blah blah blah. So it should be on your wallet in a couple of seconds. You could close this and you will receive it in your wallet. For you guys, it will take probably 2-3 minutes to receive the tokens. Right here we could see all the tokens already on the account, and once you received all the tokens, you will need to go to swap and swap a couple times. Usually do it 4 or 5 times, so the bot that is checking what you did and all the transactions will know that you're not that you don't have multi accounts, and that you don't just do one transaction. So it's better to do multiple transactions, I'll tell you that. So we're gonna swap from for example from mint into any token you like. For example, vanilla. We're gonna swap $4,500. We press swap, order swap. The only annoying thing about this is that you will have to sign it every time and enter your password to proceed with the transaction. You'll have to do it multiple times. Could not for some, yeah, if you get an error, it's okay, because this is a test net. As I said, it's not working well right now, but you're not risking anything. This is fake tokens that you're not scared to lose. So we will try it again, for example $4,000, and after this you'll have to fill out the survey where you're gonna have to look for the mistakes and different errors that you're gonna need to show in the forum and describe them in details. So we swapping 4,000 mint into Arbery. Should take a couple minutes, so just wait, hang tight, and should go through. Over here we could see that the order was swapped. So as I said, I'm gonna swap 5 times just in case. So they give me, maybe they will give me more or maybe not, we never know. But if you have a lot of time, you could swap it as many times as you want. Maybe it will help you, but I'm gonna do it 5 times. So we enter the password again and wait for the transaction to process. This one took super fast, couple seconds, and it's already done. I'm gonna swap ADA into, for example, back to chocolate, I guess. Everybody loves chocolate, so we're gonna swap it to chocolate. This is our 3rd transaction. You sign it every time and enter your password. Should be fine right now, should process quick too. Also guys, if it takes a long time, it's okay, because as I said, it's a test net, and this could happen. That's why we're testing it, that's why they're giving you money, so to see what the errors, what the mistakes they made, to fix it and then launch it and have a good website to swap tokens. So we're still waiting on that. Okay, so the transaction was successful, we swapped it. As I said, there was the 3rd transaction. We swap it right now from mint into, I like Asbury, so we're gonna swap 499. You could swap any amount, it doesn't really matter. I'm just doing it on top of my head. So password, and we're done here. So as you could see, this one was pretty quick too. And this is the last transaction that we're gonna make. We're gonna swap Arbery into, let's swap it to chocolate again. We're gonna swap 499 and we press swap, order swap, oops, and then sign. Again, password, and we done right here. I don't know why it logged on me and returned me to the empty screen, but as we could see, the wallet saying it's pending. Once it's completed, we will continue to the next task that you're gonna need to do here. So once we're done with that, we're gonna continue to liquidity and provide liquidity over here. So we're gonna have to select the token, for example ADA, and we're gonna provide liquidity to mint. Over here we could see that we have 501, so we're gonna put it here. Oh, my bad, we have 481, so we can't do that, but we will provide liquidity for 400. And the fee, there already by default it says 0.5, so we're good on that. For some reason it's telling me insufficient balance, but we will do this then. Right here it's good because we have 501, that's why. And we said provided liquidity and order deposit. We wait on that, we'll have to sign everything again and do this couple times. You don't have to do it 4 or 5 times. Yeah, as you can see, the transaction error was again, so you do retry and sign everything again. And you could use this as a mistake, as an error that I don't know, for some reason it's not letting me. So let's select another token, for example Arbery into mint. We're gonna enter here 400, provide liquidity and order deposit. Over here we sign everything again, confirm, and wait for the liquidity to add for this pool. That's it, the transaction was successfully completed. And then I'm gonna do it only 2 times since they didn't mention how many times you need to do. But if you want to make sure that you and be 100% sure that you will receive something, you could do it more. Provide liquidity, order deposit, and again do the steps that we did already and complete everything. So once we're done over here, I will show you what to do next. So we close this. After you complete swapping and adding liquidity to that, you will have to go to this forum that I'm gonna leave in the comments, in the description. Over here you'll have to enter your email, for example, like this, gmail.com. Where was this bug or error found? You'll have to find an error. I found one in liquidity. Describe the bug in detail. So you describe it, you say that there was an error because this, that, and that. Also, you tell them how would you improve this website and what did you like about using this and what you disliked about using that. Also, it's better to upload a picture of the bug that you found. You could take a screenshot and go on your computer and upload the file here. After you guys are done, you'll have to send this form to them, and you're pretty much done completing this airdrop, the testnet. And hopefully we will receive some money. And as I said, I have a lot of potential in this testnet, and from the testnets usually you get around $7,000-$10,000. We will see what this project is gonna give us. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave comments, share this video, and don't forget to put the like on the video. Thank you so much. Billionaire Crypto Club was with you. See you in the next video.